Morning world, Hippy Trev here. Should be overcast today up here, and I think we might be getting a bit of rain, which we well need, so roll the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Righto, well, so I mentioned yesterday I had a bit of solar panel problems, or solar issues with my solar gear. Rang up my good mate Stewie, and he straight away told me all my batteries are fucked. Every one of them, they're all fucked. They're all no longer taking charge, so instead of hovering around 13 to 14, 14.5 volts thereabout, they go straight up to 16 volts and shut everything down. So basically, I've killed every one of my batteries. They're all gone and they all need to be replaced. Lucky for me, Stewie's got a set of 4 brand new deep cycles over there. I'm going to pick them up tomorrow in the boat. Over in Howard's about 200k round trip. What's that, about 120 mile round trip, so it'll be a good run for the boat. $700 for 4 batteries. I probably wouldn't even use $700 worth of power, but at least it leaves me freestanding. Bar the fridge, they're 130 amp hours each, so it gives me what, around 560 amp hours of power, which should sustain me all night. They're all brand new, still got a bit of warranty on them. I know we paid over $1,000 for them. He said I can have them for about $700, so that's a mission for tomorrow. But today's mission is, I've just bought another one of these. It's a 2 USB port, and it also shows voltage and everything. I'm going to wire that into the bus. Sorry, I'm going to wire this into the boat. So I'm going to wire this into the boat, so while I'm driving I can actually charge the GoPros, charge my phone and charge everything. So I've got to wire this into the cab. First thing I need to do is reset some earths. So I had a couple of earth lines. Where is it? Where's the other one to that? So I had them running off here, I had these running off the battery clamp, which is pretty stupid for an earth. So I've got a hole down here on the guard. I'm going to give it a bit of a scratch up. I'm going to earth that here. Other earth was for the heater box, which I'm going to set up. So I'll put another earth wire there, and then when I hook this up, I've got to strap an earth into that. Now to get it through the cab, I'm going to have to cut this plug off, unfortunately. Now my other biggest problem is, it's actually getting quite warm. I need to take my Hippy Trev t-shirt off. What I don't really know is where I'm going to mount this thing. I've got no real mount. And funny thing with these, when it shows the voltage, it actually shows it upside down. If I have it there, I can't see. Plus I normally have my camera up here, so I'm going to need a lead from there down to here and charge my phone. So yeah, probably, I mean, I could probably put it there. That'll give me a volt reading. Maybe there. I can't really put it anywhere else. There's no use putting it up on the dash. I don't want to put it up here because then I've got wires running everywhere, which I don't really want. I could mount it up there, I suppose, but I'd have to. I did that on Zippy, and the thing used to just fall off all the time. Although that probably wouldn't be too bad, but then I've still got nowhere. I can't hide any of the wires. So probably, maybe the best bet's just stick it down here. It's got enough, stick it down here under the glove box, but that's no good when I open the glove box. So maybe that's where it goes, just above the tacho. That'll give me enough length up to the GoPros to charge them, also to charge my phone, and we'll be able to look down. And you've got an off and on switch here that shows the voltage, but the trouble is it comes in upside down. It's supposed to be that way, which is a bit pointless. These are basically designed for a motorbike. I got the same on my bike, on the Harley. So first we need to work out how to power it up, which way the power needs to run. I've got a couple of earths to set up, and then somehow wire this into the boat and try and hide the wires somewhere. So that's the mission for today. So yeah, like I said, all my batteries and stuff, I bought all these second hand. They're all completely mismatched. I've got a good 2.5 years out of all these batteries, but they've completely shit themselves now. So I've got 4 brand new, really good batteries, all matched, coming from Stewie. We'll go and grab that tomorrow, and I'll probably wire them in on Saturday. So anyway, first mission is, let's see how this powers up and what we look like. Sometimes these have a crossover on them too. So, right. All right, let's see what we look like. Oh no, there we go. 12.6 volt. All right, we do work. Panic, panic, panic. All right, plug you in. And the power supply is back to front. Well, that didn't work. Oh, that works. Oh yeah, back to front. 12.6. All right, that's a good fuse. All right, I can use this line here. And what they do is they come with this crossover here that crosses over. So, because your power wire is coming out, yeah, so if you use this crossover, you can wire it in the proper way around. So, anyway, first thing I need to undo this. I've got to cut the plug off the end, work out where I'm going to mount this in the boat, run the wires through, and then hook it all up. How much wire have we got? Not a great deal of length, so I've got no problem cutting the plug off this and extending it to where I need it. All right, I've got extension wire. Well, I'm pretty sure I've got extension wire. All right, I'll get back to you later. Actually, first, yeah, we'll use that. So that'll need to go onto there. And that'll need to go onto there. We'll do that first. And then we'll wire it all in. All right, I'll get back to you a bit later. Rightio. Let's get this wired in. I will use that. I'll just take this one off here. I could have hunted around and got a second nut for this, but I'll just do it this way. And I can rewire it how I want inside the cab. So this is our negative, so we'll put our negative on. I might have to go and rip a lead off the roof of the bus. Yeah, spewing about all my solar panel wires going down, that really sucked. Sorry, I am spewing about my solar panel batteries all shitting themselves. Like I said, I've had them there for a couple of years, but yeah, they've gone and shit themselves now. So that's going to go down. Put a cover on. That's going to go down there. Cable tight to that. I'll just take this off, put this on here. Can be positive. And then I've got to run a wire through the cab. All right, that goes on there. Powers that up. I could probably do with a better alternator too. When I got the lights and everything on, I only got a bit over 13.3 volts, I think, or something like that, when I probably should have a bit more. Rightio, now we've got to get plugged into that. I need to go and find somewhere to mount this in the cab, so I'll be back when I cut this wire off, and I'll go and find a joiner wire. Rightio, I'll get back to you. Rightio, Wells, job's done. It took a little bit to work out how to get the bracket fitted up, but I did just using a bit of Tarzan tape, and it's got there. So 12.6. Now it is upside down, but if I want to read the numbers the right ways up, I've got to have this upside down, and my GoPro's going to live up here. So I've only got a short run from there up to the GoPro, plus a line down there to the phone, and also tells me how much I'm charging. Right, 13 point whatever, I haven't got my glasses on. Hang on. Alright, with the boat running 14 volts. Lights are on. Oh, the tipper switches are a pain. $13.6, $13.4, $13.9. Oh, fuck. Right, high beams on, off, on, off. So 13.9. There's a strange ticking under the bonnet. Just hear it. Tapping noise. There's a strange tapping noise under the bonnet. I don't know if that's electrical or mechanical. Almost sounds like it's coming from where the coil is. Yeah, it sounds like it's coming higher up from around the coil somewhere. Noticed it a few mornings ago on a cold start. Now it's gone now. I did notice it a few mornings ago on a cold start. There's a tappity noise. But it sounds just up here behind the dash. So anyway, USB ports in, 14.1 volts. I don't know how accurate that is. I should put my There's definitely a tapping noise up there. It's only at idle. I think something's just hitting under idle. Now, I don't know what that tap noise is, but I don't think it's mechanical. I don't think it's electrical. I think there's just something under the bonnet or something under there just tapping. I don't think it's anything serious. But anyway, rightio worlds, got my USB charger in. It's done. Ready for the trip over to see Stewie tomorrow and pick up some new batteries. So, rightio worlds, looking forward to tomorrow's run. So anyway, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and we'll catch you later. Bye.